Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Caleb Lim. Students call me Mr. K. I've been teaching geography for about 10 years. So why this YouTube channel? It is really to help my current Sec 4 students to learn at their own pace and perhaps to refer back, revise, so on and so forth. But it is also for the other Singapore geography students out there who are still struggling, who are taking the 2279 paper, 2260 geography elective paper. This is for you as well. All right. So you can see over here, today I'm going to be touching on the answering technique. Why did I make this video? It is because quite a number of students really do struggle with answering technique, and it is important to really look at how the question is being formulated and what is it exactly asking you for. All right, so I've actually used these 4 steps technique in my school, so let's get on with it. All right, for this technique over here, I'm using a sample question using figure 1.1, describe the change in tourism arrival from 1990 to 2020. And this is a 3 marks question. Of course, there will be a figure that for you to refer to. However, I have not put it up here. So for step 1, it is really determining the question type. Okay, there are many question types that are asking for different requirements, and this will be touched on in another video. But the question types over here is actually using figure 1.1 over here. These using figure 1.1, the first 3 words of the sentence will actually tell you this is a AO2 question. What is an AO2 question? An AO2 question will actually test a student's ability to get content and knowledge from a figure, perhaps a bar graph, a line graph, or any types of data. All right. And with that, okay, you have determined it is an AO2 question. The next step is to determine the command word. Okay, over in this sample question, the command word, it is to describe. All right, the command word, why is it important? Because it will point you to the right direction on answering the question, whether you're supposed to describe, to annotate, to explain, to elaborate, to account. These command words will determine your answers. All right. So for step 3, it is about determining the question requirement. Okay, many a times students miss out important question requirement, therefore not answering to the question. Okay, and these sample question, the question requirement would be the change in tourism arrival from 1990 to 2020. And usually in the figure that's given, it is a graph that has a tourism arrival. It could be a simple line graph that has increased or it decreased from 1990 to 2020. All right, so that's the question requirement. Last but not least, it is the marks requirement that is needed. Okay, this would be something that a lot of students missed, in my opinion. Okay, and you can see over here 3 marks question. What does it mean? Okay, to be able to ace in a geography paper, you need to understand that every mark is given by point. The teachers call it point marking. All right, and if it is a 3 marks question, it simply means you need 3 points to get your mark. Okay, so without knowing this, some students will give 2 points, 1 point, or some students don't even know what constitute a point. So that will also be covered in my next few videos. So today I hope you have learned something, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, okay, in dissecting a geography question, and this hopefully this will help you in answering question. So you should be thinking about this, okay, when attempting any geography question. Thank you and all the best. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.